Our oceans are home to some gigantic creatures. Here's a list of some of the strangest deep sea giants, and the last one will haunt your dreams. The giant isopod, a creature resembling a sci-fi alien, is a large crustacean that resides in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It's one of the largest known members of the isopod family, a group of crustaceans closely related to shrimps and crabs. Giant isopods can grow to a remarkable size, with some individuals reaching over 14 inches in length. This significant size is an example of deep sea gigantism, a phenomenon where deep sea creatures can grow much larger than their shallow water relatives. These isopods inhabit the cold, pitch-black depths of the ocean, ranging from 550 to 7,000 feet below the surface. They are predominantly found in the mud or clay sediment at the ocean floor, where they lead a solitary existence. In terms of diet, giant isopods are opportunistic feeders. They primarily feed on the dead and decaying bodies of marine animals, making them important scavengers in their ecosystem. However, they are known to hunt live prey such as slow-moving fish and squid. In this clip, we can even witness one attacking a passing shark. And their wide-ranging feeding habits play a crucial role in recycling nutrients in the deep sea environment. One of the most intriguing aspects of the giant isopod is its ability to survive long periods without food. These creatures have adapted to the scarcity of food found in the deep sea by slowing their metabolism, allowing them to go without eating for extended periods, sometimes over a year. Giant isopods exhibit other interesting behaviours and adaptations. For instance, when threatened, they can roll up into a ball to protect their soft underbelly. Their hard exoskeletons are strong. Sharp claws are both defensive and offensive tools, aiding in protection and feeding. These fascinating creatures continue to be a subject of interest and study, shedding light on the unique adaptations necessary for survival in one of the Earth's most extreme environments. But the giant isopod is far from the largest crustacean in the ocean. That award goes to the next creature on our list. The Japanese spider crab is a species renowned for its impressive size and unique appearance. It holds the record for the largest leg span of any arthropod, reaching up to 12.5 feet from claw to claw, with a body size that can grow up to 16 inches in diameter. But despite their daunting size, these crabs have a gentle disposition. Native to the waters around Japan, specifically around the southern coast of the Honshu Island, these giant crabs inhabit the depths of the Pacific Ocean. They are commonly found at depths ranging from 160 to 2,000 feet, but they have been known to venture as deep as 8,000 feet. Japanese spider crabs are omnivores, feeding primarily on plants and animals. Their diet includes a variety of organisms like shellfish, carcasses of dead animals, and plant matter. They are scavengers by nature, which helps in cleaning the ocean floor of decaying organic matter. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Japanese spider crab is its lifespan, which can extend up to 100 years. The Japanese spider crab is not only a subject of biological interest, but also of cultural significance in Japan. They are sometimes featured in art and folklore, symbolising longevity and good fortune. However, they face threats from habitat destruction and are also a sought-after delicacy, which has led to concerns about their conservation status. But whilst this huge crab is a gentle giant, the next creature on our list is an active predator of the deep. The colossal squid is a mysterious and awe-inspiring creature that inhabits the deep cold waters of the Southern Ocean. This mysterious species is known for its enormous size, with estimates suggesting it can grow up to around 12 to 14 metres or 39 to 46 feet. This makes the colossal squid the largest known invertebrate on Earth, surpassing even the giant squid in terms of mass. The colossal squid's habitat is deep and remote, primarily residing in the Antarctic region, at depths of around 3,500 to 6,500 feet. These depths are characterised by frigid temperatures and high pressures, making the environment harsh and inaccessible for most marine research. As for their diet, colossal squids are active predators. They feed on large fish and even other squid species. Their hunting technique is facilitated by their large, sharp beak, which is one of the most robust among cephalopods. Additionally, their tentacles are equipped with swiveling hooks and suckers, enabling them to grasp and hold onto their prey effectively. A unique feature of the colossal squid is its eyes, which are among the largest in the animal kingdom. Measuring up to 30 centimeters or 20 inches in diameter, these massive eyes are thought to be an adaptation to the deep sea environment, helping them detect prey and predators in the low light conditions. The colossal squid's reproductive strategies remain largely unknown, but like other squids, they have a short lifespan, reproducing once before dying. The rarity and elusiveness of this species has led to limited encounters with humans, with most of our knowledge derived from specimens caught in deep sea fishing nets or found in the stomachs of sperm whales, one of their few known predators. Their elusive nature, combined with their formidable size, continues to make the colossal squid a subject of fascination and study, contributing to our understanding of the mysterious depths of the ocean. There are very few creatures in the ocean which can match the size of the colossal squid, but the next creature on our list is one that can. The giant oarfish is a remarkable and elusive creature, and it's the world's longest bony fish. This deep sea dweller can grow to extraordinary lengths, with reports of individuals reaching around 8 to 11 meters or 26 to 36 feet in length. The giant oarfish is easily recognisable by its slender, ribbon-like body and shiny, silvery appearance. Native to the pelagic zone of tropical and temperate oceans, giant oarfish are rarely seen by humans, as they primarily reside at depths of around 200 to 1000 meters. Their deep sea habitat, far from the coastal shells, contributes to the mythology of this incredible species. Their diet mainly consists of plankton, small crustaceans and squid, which they capture using a form of filter feeding. Giant oarfish do not have large or developed teeth for grasping or tearing prey, which aligns with their diet of smaller, more manageable prey items. A unique aspect of the giant oarfish is its swimming mechanism. Unlike many fish that swim by undulating their bodies, the oarfish moves through the water column by undulating its long dorsal fin, while keeping its body straight, a motion resembling that of a snake or eel. Another intriguing feature of this fish is its reproductive strategy. They are known to be prolific breeders, releasing huge numbers of eggs that are left to drift in the open ocean. The larvae are distinctly different from adults, featuring a more typical fish shape and external appendages, undergoing dramatic changes as they mature. The giant oarfish has also been subject to various myths and folklore, often being associated with sea serpents or omens of earthquakes and tsunamis. However, these associations are more likely due to their rare appearances near coastlines, usually when injured or dying. Despite their size and distinctive appearance, much about the giant oarfish remains a mystery, largely due to the inaccessibility of their deep sea habitat. Their occasional appearances near the surface continue to intrigue and provide valuable opportunities for scientific study. But despite its huge size, the giant oarfish does have a sleek, slender appearance, which isn't something the next creature on our list can boast. The seven-arm octopus is a unique and elusive species of cephalopod. Despite its name, this octopus does actually possess 8 arms. However, the male's 8th arm is typically hidden, tucked away in a sac beneath the eye, giving the appearance of having only 7. This species is one of the largest octopus species, with the potential to reach an impressive size. Females are notably larger than males, with some recorded specimens weighing up to 75 kilograms or 165 pounds and measuring up to 13 feet in length. The habitat of this octopus is deep and expansive. They are found in temperate and tropical oceans worldwide, typically dwelling at depths ranging from 500 to 4,000 meters. Their preference for deep water makes encounters with humans rare, contributing to the mystique surrounding this species. Their diet is varied, and seven-arm octopuses are known to feed on a range of prey, including fish and other cephalopods. They've also been observed consuming large jellyfish, which is unusual for octopus. This diet is facilitated by their strong beak, capable of piercing through the gelatinous bodies of jellyfish and the exoskeletons of crustaceans. One of the most fascinating aspects of the seven-arm octopus is its reproductive strategy. The female carries a large number of eggs inside her mantle, which she broods until they hatch. During this period, which can last several months, the female doesn't eat, ultimately sacrificing her life for the next generation. This octopus is a testament to the diversity and adaptability of cephalopods. Their deep sea lifestyle, coupled with their unique reproductive strategy and diet, makes them a subject of great interest and ongoing research in the marine biology community. However, much of their behaviour and ecology remains unknown, largely due to the challenges of studying deep sea organisms. The seven-armed octopus is one of the lesser known creatures on this list, unlike our next entry, which has been part of mythology for centuries. The giant squid is one of the most awe-inspiring creatures of the deep sea. This elusive species has been the subject of maritime lore and scientific curiosity for centuries, often portrayed as a sea monster in legends and folklore. In terms of size, the giant squid is among the largest invertebrates on Earth. Adult specimens can reach lengths up to 13 metres or 43 feet. The mantle or main body part can be several feet long, with the largest recorded specimen having a mantle length of about 8.2 feet. Giant squids inhabit the deep ocean, dwelling in depths ranging from 1,000 to 3,500 feet, though they have been known to venture deeper. They are found in all of the world's oceans, with most sightings occurring in the North Atlantic and waters around Japan. Their diet primarily consists of deep-sea fish and other smaller squid species. They hunt using their two long feeding tentacles, which are equipped with suckers and sharp hooks to capture prey. Once seized, the prey is brought to the powerful beak of the squid, capable of slicing through hard materials. An interesting aspect of the giant squid is its eyes, which are among the largest in the animal kingdom, measuring up to 10 inches in diameter. These enormous eyes are believed to be an adaptation to the dark depths of the ocean, enabling them to detect faint traces of light and movement. The giant squid's reproductive habits are not well understood, but like other cephalopods, they are believed to die shortly after mating and laying their eggs. Historically, knowledge of the giant squid was based primarily on specimens washed ashore or found in the stomachs of sperm whales, who are their main predator. However, recent advances in deep-sea exploration have led to live sightings, providing valuable insights into their behaviour and biology. The giant squid remains a symbol of the mysteries and wonders of the deep ocean, captivating scientists and the public alike. Whilst technically not quite the largest squid species, one of the reasons for the giant squid becoming a household name is likely its self-describing name, something it shares in common with the next creature on our list. The big red jellyfish is a striking and relatively less known species of jellyfish, discovered only in the late 1990s. This deep-sea dweller is notable for its unique appearance and significant size, making it a remarkable inhabitant of the ocean's mysterious depths. One of the most distinctive features of the big red jellyfish is its size and colour, with bell diameters reaching up to 30 inches. The deep red coloration of its bell is what primarily gives it its common name and sets it apart visually in the dark depths of the ocean. This species inhabits the deep waters of the Pacific Ocean, primarily in the Monterey Bay and Hawaii, and has been observed at depths ranging from 2,000 to 5,000 feet. The jellyfish's preference for deep-sea environments mean that it's rarely encountered by humans and thus remains relatively mysterious. Unlike many jellyfish that have a multitude of stinging tentacles, the big red jellyfish has a reduced number of thick, fleshy arm-like appendages, typically between 4 and 7, which lack the usual stinging tentacles. This adaptation suggests a different feeding mechanism from more common jellyfish species. It's believed to feed on small aquatic creatures, capturing them with its arms and slowly ingesting them. The discovery of this species challenged previous notions about jellyfish, particularly in terms of morphology and deep-sea adaptations. It highlights the diversity of life forms that exist in the deep ocean and underscores just how much there is yet to learn about this largely unexplored part of our planet. As deep-sea exploration technology advances, it's likely that more will be discovered about these fascinating creatures. The next creature on our list is also a relatively recent discovery, first being reported in 1967. The deep water stingray, also known as the giant stingray, is a unique and lesser known species among the diverse family of rays. This species stands out for its adaptation to deep sea environments, a rarity among rays, which are typically found in shallower waters. Deep water stingrays can reach lengths of over 6.5 feet in width, Their bodies are characterised by a flat, diamond-shaped disc and long, whip-like tail, which is a common feature among stingrays. Unlike many other rays, the deep water stingray lacks the prominent venomous stinger, a trait that's often associated with these creatures. They are typically found at depths ranging from 1,000 to 2,500 feet. They are benthic feeders, meaning they search for food along the seabed. Using their specialised mouths located under their bodies, they can use suction or scoop up prey from the sand or mud. Due to their remote habitat, encounters with humans are very rare, and much about their biology and ecology remains a mystery. Their presence in deep oceanic waters highlights the vast and varied environments that marine species can inhabit. The final creature on our list was discovered over 100 years ago. However, it still remains one of the most mysterious and ethereal monsters of the deep. The Bigfin squid is a rarely seen yet fascinating species of deep sea squid, known for its gigantic size and unique, eerie appearance. This squid's most notable features are its disproportionately large fins, which can be as wide as the squid's body, giving the impression of big, ghostly wings. Bigfin squids are elusive, and much of their biology and ecology remains shrouded in mystery. They've been observed in various parts of the world's oceans, including the Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic Ocean, and the Pacific Ocean. Sightings are scarce, with most knowledge coming from deep sea video footage and a few physical specimens. The body length can reach to 6.6 feet, but perhaps the most striking feature is their tentacles, which can be over 10 times the length of the body, with some recorded at over 20 feet. These tentacles are thought to be used in a unique feeding strategy, where they hang vertically in the water and ensnare passing prey. These squid are typically found at depths ranging from 3,000 to 16,000 feet. This preference for deep, dark environments contributes to their mysterious nature and the difficulty in studying them. Their diet is not well understood, but it's presumed to include small fish and other deep sea invertebrates. The squid's long tentacles suggest a passive hunting strategy, where they drift and wait for prey to come into contact with their tentacles. One of the most intriguing aspects of the bigfin squid is its appearance and movement. Its large fins allow it to hover in the water with minimal effort, and its tentacles, which are often held in an unusual elbow-like bend, give it an otherworldly appearance. Overall, the bigfin squid is the perfect creature to symbolise the mystery and wonder of the deep sea. Its rare sightings and peculiar appearance continue to captivate scientists and the public, contributing to our fascination with the largely unexplored depths of our oceans. But despite their gigantic size, few of these creatures pose any real threat to humans, with habitats too deep and sightings too rare. But there are other fascinating creatures which can pose a risk, and to learn more about those, you need to watch my video here, where I take a look at some of the most terrifying sea creatures which have been known not only to attack, but in some cases kill those who swim too close.